Africa just created a $3.2 billion fintech giant, and the real story may have little to do with fintech. Flutterwave's latest funding round, backed by a strategic investment from Ripple, has valued the Nigerian company at about $3.2 billion. But here's why oil traders, energy companies, and importers should be paying attention. Africans' biggest problem isn't always about moving goods. It is about moving the money that pays for the goods. Take for instance, an oil trader buying crude oil in one African country and selling refined products in another can face fragmented banking systems, exchange friction, delayed settlements, and expensive cross-border transfers. Flutterwave is trying to attack exactly that one problem that affects the whole of Africa. The company says it has processed more than $50 billion across 1 billion transactions, connecting businesses across Africa and beyond. Now, Ripple brings its payment infrastructure, RLUSD stablecoins, and XRP ledger deeper into Flutterwave's system with the goal of making cross-border settlement faster and more efficient. And here's why every oil trader in the continent should care. Imagine an African fuel distributor needs to pay a supplier across the continent. Today, that payment can involve multiple banks, currencies, FS conversions, and waiting periods. The imagined model is different. Digital dollars, faster settlements, more accessible liquidity, fewer payment bottlenecks. And when billions of dollars move through Africa's energy trade, shaving friction from every transaction can become serious competitive advantage. And this is the big takeover. So Flutterwave's $3.2 billion evaluation isn't just a fintech headline. It is a signal that Africa is building financial infrastructure for an increasing integrated continental economy. Because free trade is meaningless if the money still can't move around. And for Africa's oil and energy traders, the next revolution is not in the pipelines, it may be in the payment rail. If you're an oil trader, would you switch to stablecoin settlement today? Comment oil and I will break down the exact flow in part 2. Do not forget to click follow, like, and share for more African stories.